Today we're going to turn photorealistic shot into digital sketching. And without wasting much time, let's jump into it. We're going to separate the subject from the background. Convert the image into smart object. Now create a solid color layer that matches the subject. Duplicate it and follow this process. Choose the soft round brush. Reduce the flow and remove the color from the image. Make sure the color masking is into a portrait sized. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to combine every layer into one. Now open the filter gallery. Under Stretch Gallery, choose Graphic Pen. You can increase or decrease the balance and move the slider until you are satisfied. This is it. I hope you like it.